We are here to talk about containerization. I'm Sarah Sluis, Editorial Director of AdExchanger, and I have with me here Pirouz Nilforoush, the President and Co-founder of inPowered AI, and Mike Sadicario, the EVP of Entertainment Media and Retail Partnerships at Equativ. Thank you to both. So let's just start by defining containerization. It's a pretty new term. What is it and why does it matter?
Thanks for having me. Containerization is a fairly new technology that's been around roughly for only the last 12 to 16 months altogether. It enables essentially AI models, custom decisioning models to be deployed within SSP environments to really drive performance and outcomes for brands.
Yeah, I would just add that we're excited to empower our buyers to bring sell-side decisioning to the supply side, really, frankly, increasing the opportunities to drive real business outcomes by utilizing the container.
So inPowered, why work with Equativ? What's kind of unique about your partnership?
Yeah, we're very excited about Equativ's global footprint. Really enables agencies and brands that we work with to deploy models for various outcomes. With taking advantage of kind of that global presence.
So it sounds like containerization will enable more sell-side decisioning. So tell us a little bit about what that might look like, maybe an example, and then we can learn more about why that's important.
For the first time, advertisers are able to really deploy custom algorithms and decisioning models, decisioning on the entire volume within an SSP. So in the past, really, algorithmic optimization and decisioning was only available on the buy side within DSPs. And DSPs typically get throttled and they end up with a subset of all the requests. So now that you're able to really bring and move decisioning upstream to the SSP, the buyers are able to really decision on all the available opportunities and really drive performance and outcomes as a result.
Okay, and it feels like that will re-architect what the ad tech funnel, if you will, looks like, or the chain between different things. Is that right?
Yeah, and I would only add that part of the promise here is also just customizations, personalized outcomes for the buyer based on their KPIs, based on what they want to drive and deliver. But it's also taking the supply side signals that may necessarily have not been used before or used to the scale. One of those might be the creative asset, right? Ensuring that we have the right creative at the right time or the right augmentation of that creative to really deliver those results by using also the container to really optimize the performance outcomes.
Great. And maybe one final question. How do you think that will change the ad tech supply chain if we have containerization and more sell-side decisioning?
Naturally, as each advertiser is able to deploy their own custom models and be able to really decision on an impression level basis in real time, it's going to help more and more brands really move that decisioning and performance up front.
Okay. Well, thank you, Pirouz and Mike. We're in early days of containerization, and it'll be exciting to see what it looks like next year at Care.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.